Hey guys, Mr. Epic Sauce here, and my dog was outside sounding like a demon cat dog thing, like whining, and I'll try and get some audio for you, but it might take a couple minutes, and this is the video just for jokes, just for giggles, so don't expect any really good quality stuff. I don't even know if this is going to go up on YouTube. I guess she stopped or something. She was like, and it sounded really funny. You should have been, if you'd have been here, you'd been like, what is that thing?